So we had around more or less 20% actually of our total conversions in Q1 that came from direct mail, which I was also quite surprised to see that it was so much. Like, I think it's quite a big part considering we haven't done it so much, but that it's already a fifth actually of all our activations. So that's pretty cool. And I also did check that with kind of the not so much testing, but still the testing we've done so far this quarter, for each direct mail that we've seen or sent, we've seen a higher conversion rate and a slightly lower CPR, so cost per reactivation. So I think that's also exciting actually to see how we have improved throughout the quarter, even though direct mail hasn't been the channel that we spent most of our focus on. So I think that's really exciting, and yeah, makes me excited for Q2 and the rest of the year and see what we can do to leverage it even more. We do see, I would say in general, a higher conversion rate with our direct mails. However, as I mentioned before, for our direct mails, we literally target also our best customers. So naturally, the conversion rate would be higher. In our emails, we combine them more. But in general, of course, then we do see a higher conversion rate. And we've also done some tests where we have a holdout group. So for example, version A of the customers would get an email and nothing else. And the second version would get an email and then a direct mail. And there we have also seen like how the direct mail impacts the overall conversion rate there. We reach more customers than we would with emails too, because of course all of our emails don't get opened. There's still a high percent of the emails that never gets opened. So I think this is also one of the really high values with direct mail, that we also can reach those types of customers that necessarily is not interested in our emails.